If you are looking for such emails, this is the right video for you, because in this guide I am going to show you how you can script such emails, right, using mail grab. And you can script like a lot of websites like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, any kind of website. So yes, now let's get into it. Now, before I continue, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out a lot of content, right? So I've made content about VPS tutorials, business marketing, code email marketing, right? I've made a lot of video about email. So if you want this kind of content, just hit the subscribe button once again and check out other videos, right? So now, MailGrab is a Chrome extension, right? So all you have to do is just click on the extension icon and just click on manage extensions, right? So I'm going to first remove MailGrab from this, right? So when you get the tool, you just have to click on load unpack, all right, and navigate to MailGrab, right? So you get the zip file, you just have to extract it, then you have to navigate there, right? So as you can see, we have MailGrab new, right? But you might see just MailGrab. So you just make sure you are inside the folder, right, and just click on select folder and you will see MailGrab over here, right? Now after that, just click on the extension icon once again and click on the pin icon in front of the MailGrab, and you should see MailGrab over here, right? So just click on it and you're going to see the beautiful extension. Now this extension has been divided into two, right? You have the query building of query or search term or search query, or you can start scripting from the current page, right? So we are going to walk through that. And we also have the settings page, so you have to turn on the auto extract and also the auto pagination if you want it to automatically move on to the next page. At this section, you can enter maximum of pages that you want to script, right? So you can enter 1,000 and you can just calculate by this time over here. So every 3 seconds there should be a delay, and the maximum delay is 6 seconds, right? So you can gather as many emails that you want, but I'm going to leave it to 20 pages for now, and everything will be default. So make sure you turn on the invalid cleanup and also remove duplicates, so it will clean up the data or the emails and also remove duplicates. Now after you are done, just click on save and you can see settings saved. Go back to the extract tab, and now we need to enter our search term. So what are you looking for? What business are you looking for? What business model are you looking for? What kind of people are you looking for? So let's say I am looking for designers. So I'm just gonna type designer over here. Then which website do I want the designers from? Let's say I want LinkedIn, so I'm just going to type linkedin.com. I can just press enter to enter more websites, right? Then the next one is the email extension, whether it's gmail.com, yahoo.com, AOL. Just have to type it in here, right? So I'm going to just type gmail.com, then enter. Then I'm going to type yahoo.com, right? You can add more, and the location, what city, or if you have a zip code or even a country, you can just place it there. So let's say I want Dallas, right? Good. And I just have to click on build query and start, and it will automatically do the search for you. And you can see we have Gmail, Yahoo here, we have Gmail here, we have Gmail here, we have another Gmail here. So you can see MailGrab extracting. So when I click on the icon and I scroll down, you can see it is grabbing some emails over here, right? In the first 2 pages, we have gotten 14 leads, right, or emails. All right, so you can click on stop to stop the extraction, and you can click on save, okay, or export CSV over here, and this is your data, right? All right, so as you can see, MailGrab emails. So I'm just going to right click on it, and I'm going to open with, I'm going to choose another app. I'm going to use Excel to open. I'm just going to click on always. Whenever it's CSV, it should open with Excel. All right, so this is it. Okay, so this is the emails we are able to script. So I'm going to just this, and that is the email, right? So you can just click here to select that row and we can copy it into our text, our notepad. Okay, so I'll just paste it here, and this is the list of emails we have gotten now. Right, so that is not all. We can do a lot more. We can gather as many as we want. We can try Yelp. So I can say dentist, then the site I'll say Yelp.com. Next page I can say yellowpage.com. Yeah, so that will be the site. I'll say Gmail. Now the city, I'm going to type New York, but before that I'm going to click on clear data. Okay, right, to clear the emails I've already extracted, and I'm going to click on build query and start. All right, so as you can see, this is Yelp, right? It is extracting Yelp, and Yellow Pages will be mixed data. All right, it will come up. Okay, so when it's done with Yelp, it will move on to Yellow Pages. I can click to open to check the data you have gotten. All right, and you can see we have one yellow page over here, right? Right, so when it finish extracting Yelp, it will move on to Yellow Pages. So that's basically how it works. You can just click to click on stop, and you know, this kind of website doesn't really have a lot of emails, so you are limited the number of emails you get per page, but you can gather as many as you want. Right, so you have gotten 19 emails here. You can just click on export to save it, or we can continue to scrape as many as we want. Right, or better still, we can just focus on Yellow Pages only, like search Yellow Pages. Yellow Pages is a business directory, so we need a business model, a business name, right? So we can say school. Sorry, Yellow Pages should be at the site section. Then here should be, let's say, Gmail. Then here should be, and the location, I'm still going to choose Dallas, and I'm going to click on build and start query. So as you can see, it is only showing Yellow Pages results. Just have to click here. Because I didn't clear it, is going to add up, right? Yes, so that's basically how you can use MailGrab to gather as many emails as you want from any website that you prefer. Now if you want this to just have to get in contact with me, I'm just going to click stop. Right, now if you want this to just get in contact with me, so the last page was 3. all right, so you can use another keyword. That's why I stopped. So you can use another keyword, maybe the dentist and maybe the city. There were not a lot of dentists in that particular city on Yellow Pages, right? So make sure you do a lot of search and you are going to get a lot of results, right? So yes, if you want this to just check the description, you are going to see my contact details. Make sure you get in contact with me. This is how we go about it, right? So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.